Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the most researched, suspicious and explored topic of this world, that is memory. So my first question to you sir is, what is a memory?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Memory, as we understand, when we listen someone who speaks from the mind, so it is a storing of information and retrieval of information. Like, we have a computer, we have a rapid access memory, RAM. So memory is, immediately we retrieve the information.
So whether is it the fact that some people have better memories compared to others?
It is a myth, a total myth. The Almighty has given each one of us a tool, a hardware, which is mind, and equally strong memory to each one of us. Like the persons who go to the gym or do more exercise, they are more fit, they are more strong. Or those who do more yoga, they are more flexible. Similarly, if we work on our memory, the mind has unimaginable, equal mental faculty to each one of us. There are 5 other faculties apart from memory, and those are P, perception, will, imagination, reason, intuition. By using memory, I have remembered these 6 faculties. Prime Minister is Viri, VIRI. So P is perception, M is memory, W is will, I is intuition, R is reason, and another I is imagination.
So please share some of the techniques to accelerate the memory part.
The first technique is to always say to self that I have unlimited memory power. Universe does whatever a person tells to the universe. If a person says, I have a poor memory, universe says, tathastu. You will have a poor memory. Then other ways of memory is making acronyms. Like I made an acronym in 1981 when I was doing my chartered accountancy. In Companies Act, we have a memorandum of association and articles of association. So memorandum of association has certain contents. So I made no class. Today there is no lecture. So N is for name clause, O is for objects clause, C is for capital clause, L is for liability clause, A and S is for association and subscription, and last S is situation of registered office. So another thing, in the Information Technology Act 2000, there is one important amendment made. Some people call it a separate act, but that is wrong. There is an Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. So this amendment came into effect in 2009. This came from 27th October 2009. Now, how I have remembered this date? 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. October month is 10, and 2009, 2 plus 9 is 11. So 9, 10, 11. So easy to remember.
Right. Sir, having good memory is always advantageous, but I would like to listen from your side that what gives a person an additional edge over others to have a good memory.
See, when we in fact, there is another video we are going to have it, how to be a world-class speaker. Now, whether we are addressing a meeting, a team members meeting, or we are addressing a group of family members, addressing means talking to them, or in a cooperative society, or in a forum study circle. The person who is able to express and who's able to bring out the information is always is looked as a genius.
Yes.
So see, we have various tools now. We have a Google platform available. We have a smartphone. At the click of the button, we can retrieve the information. But primary information should be in our mind. We should know where that information may be there. So a strong memory, I know certain, when I started doing chartered accountancy, I used to listen late Nani Palkiwala ji. I used to listen, I still, Mr. H.P. Ranina, Mr. Dinesh Vyas. They used to rattle out ITR number. ITR is income tax reports, and page numbers with the name of the case laws, name of the judges. And today also we see the speakers, take our own leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He will speak for 2 hours, cover all the point, and without a piece of paper. So a strong memory is a must in each walk of life.
Right. Very correctly said, sir. Thank you for this today's conversation. We'll expect more such talks with you. Thank you.